Hi 5K, this is the second part to Tuesday's reading. I'm so sorry for the second video. My computer shut me off in the first one for some reason. So where we left off was with the turtle at the bottom of page 5. Let's sound out turtle together, okay? My turn. T, t, turtle, your turn. T, t, turtle. Okay, so does turtle start with D? No, it doesn't, right? So we're going to put an X on that line. Put an X by the turtle. Okay. So now that we're done with the turtle, let's listen to what Doc has to say about that beach ball. Here we go.
Now look at the picture of the beach ball.
What's this lumpy thing in the corner? Oh, not again. This is Sal's old beach ball. It looks like all the air has come out. I bet Sal left the ball here for me to fix. Probably he was in a hurry to get to the baseball field to practice for the game today.
Say, we've got to get to that game too. I'm the catcher.
I know, I'm playing first base today. But we can stop on our way at Gus and Gert's garage and fill the beach ball with air for Sal. All the beach ball needs is some air.
Okay, let's go.
Ball. Does ball begin with the sound D? If your answer is yes, write lowercase d on the lines next to the beach ball. If your answer is no, mark an X on the lines.
Okay.
Let's check your answers.
We will
You
not
should have
do
written
that.
Lowercase d on the
Give me
lines
1
next
second.
to these three pictures. Tool chest with
Okay, sorry about that. Let's sound out ball, all right? My turn. Ball. Your turn. Ball. Does ball start with D? Nope, it doesn't. So we're going to make an X on that line by the beach ball. And now we're done with that page. All right, let's move on to page 6. This is the last page we have to do today. And here's how you will complete page 6. See, Doc likes to be organized when he has all his toys, her toys. So this row is supposed to have all of toys that start with the C sound, the C sound, and so on and so forth. All of these toys are supposed to start with what letter is this? This is the letter A, isn't it? And what sound does A make? It says the sound, yeah. So all of these toys should start with that sound, but there is one that doesn't belong. In each row, there's one that doesn't start with that letter that's over on the left. So you have to find which one doesn't start with that letter. So how we're going to do it is I'm going to sound out each toy with you, and then I'll ask you which one doesn't belong, okay? So let's start with the first row. First of all, what letter is this again? It's a C. Yeah, and what sound does C make? Yeah, right. So let's sound out each one of those. We'll do my turn, your turn. Okay. So this first one is a bucket of crayons. Okay. Let's sound out crayons. My turn. Crayons. Your turn. Crayons. Okay, so we have crayons. This here is a telephone. A telephone. Let's send out telephone. My turn. Telephone. Your turn. Telephone. Okay, we have crayons, telephone, and this last one is a toy car, isn't it? Car. Let's sound out car. My turn. Car. Your turn. Car. Okay, so which one of these toys does not start with the C sound? Put your finger on the one that does not belong, that does not start with C. You should have your finger on the telephone, right? That does not start with C. Okay, so what you're going to do is circle the telephone because that one does not start with C. All right, so once you have the telephone circled, we can move on to the next row. This letter is, like we said, an A. An A says ah, ah, ah. So let's sound out these three toys, and you're going to tell me which one does not start with ah, ah, ah. All right, so this right here is an apple. We have a little worm in our apple. Let's sound out apple. My turn. Ah, ah, apple. Your turn. Ah, ah, apple. Okay, we have apple. This next one is this little guy is an astronaut. You can see he has a little space suit. He's a toy astronaut. Let's sound out astronaut. My turn. Ah, astronaut. Your turn. Astronaut. Okay, listen for that sound. Our last toy in this row is a toy train. A train. Let's sound out train. My turn. T, t, train. Your turn. T, t, train. Okay, put your finger on which one of these toys does not start with ah, ah, ah. Put your finger on it. You should have your finger on the train, right? Because that one does not start with ah, ah, ah. It starts with t, t, t. So circle the train, because that one has to go to a different toy row, doesn't it? Doesn't belong. All right. Next row, we have a new letter. What letter is this? We've learned about this one before. This is a G, yeah. Uppercase G, lowercase g. And what sound does G make? G says g, g, g. Yeah. So when we sound out these toys, find which one does not start with g, g, g. Okay. So this first one, you might not be able to tell quite as clearly, but this is a toy gas station. You can see all the little toys parking in there. It's a gas station. Let's sound out gas station. My turn. G, g, gas station. Your turn. G, g, gas station. Okay, so we have g, g, gas station. What toy is this? It's a little guitar. Cool. Let's sound out guitar. My turn. G, g, guitar. Your turn. G, g, guitar. All right. Remember, we're listening for that g, g sound. And this last toy, maybe you've seen one before, maybe you haven't. This is called a yo-yo. It's one of those toys where you have a string and you put on your finger and you can make the yo-yo go up and down with the string. It's kind of cool. Let's sound out yo-yo. My turn. Yo-yo. Your turn. Yo-yo. All right. So which one of these toys does not start with G? Put your finger on it. You should have your finger on the yo-yo, right? That one does not start with G. So circle the yo-yo, please. Just like that. All right. Last one. Here we go. This row is supposed to all start with this letter. What letter is this again? You should know it. It's one for this week. Yeah, it's a D. Uppercase D, lowercase d. You did that one today. And the D says d, right? So this first toy is a doll. My turn. D, doll. Your turn. D, doll. This next toy, you see a ball and a baseball bat. Let's sound out ball. We'll sound out ball for this one. My turn. B, ball. Your turn. B, ball. Okay, so and then our last toy is that duck. I like that duck. He's cute. Let's sound out duck. My turn. D, duck. Your turn. D, duck. Okay, which one of these toys, doll, ball, or duck, does not start with the D sound, the D sound? Put your finger on it. You should have your finger on the ball, because that one does not belong. It does not start with D, right? So circle the ball and the bat. Go ahead and do that. That one does not belong. And so, boys and girls, once you have those toys circled, you're done with page 6. And that is the last page we have to do today. So you should have already paused the video and finished your page 4, your lowercase d's. So what you have to do now is have your grown-up upload page 4, your lowercase d's, page 5, when you listen to Doc tell about all those broken toys, and page 6, pages 4, 5, and 6 to the red reading folder. Thank you so much, kindergartners. I'm sorry for the second video. Thank you for sticking with me.